Here is the machine for the manual currency packing, and this is the Chinese. I will show you by English. Okay. Here, this machine is with the limit switch. Here inside with the adjustable limit switch, it can control the machine head up and down. So, mode 15 and mode 13, I will place down and I will place up. So you can see this is the limit switch. So you can control this limit switch to save the time. Okay, then back to the inside. Here, this is the welding switch will turn on because this needs cutting, so we also turn the cutting. And this push out cylinder is for push out this material from the up mode, from this mode. So this it needs stay on, and this is high frequency machine head on. Then we back to here. Then semi-automatic because I will have two samples. Okay. Then this is semi-automatic, so I will push start. Then I will push start. Okay, welding. Then this is cutting, and this essentially I will place another start. I will place start for this one. Welding and cutting. Okay. Then I will come out. Okay, it is clean cut, very beautiful appearance. Then this one, clean cut and beautiful appearance. Yeah. Anh thật xin. Okay.